Understanding Blissful Thinking, a guide to English idioms. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a fascinating aspect of the English language, idioms. Specifically, we'll unravel the meaning and usage of the phrase, blissful thinking. Remember, idioms are a crucial part of mastering any language, and English is no exception. Blissful thinking is not a standard idiom in English. In fact, it seems to be a mix-up of two familiar phrases, wishful thinking and blissful ignorance. Let's explore both to understand where blissful thinking might fit in. Wishful thinking. Wishful thinking refers to the formation of beliefs based on what might be pleasing to imagine rather than on evidence, reality, or rationality. It's like hoping for something even when there's little chance of it happening. Blissful ignorance. Blissful ignorance, on the other hand, describes a state where a person is unaware of something unpleasant and is therefore happy. To help clarify, let's use these phrases in some examples. Wishful thinking. Thinking that you'll win the lottery without buying a ticket is nothing but wishful thinking. Blissful ignorance. She lived in blissful ignorance of the problems her company was facing. Now, if we combine these ideas, blissful thinking could imply a state of thinking happily yet unrealistically about a situation. Understanding the context is key. These idioms are often used in informal conversations and can sometimes have a slightly negative connotation, suggesting a lack of realism or awareness. Use wishful thinking to express doubt about someone's overly optimistic outlook. Use blissful ignorance to describe someone's state of happiness due to their unawareness of certain facts. I hope this exploration of blissful thinking, wishful thinking, and blissful ignorance has been enlightening. Idioms like these enrich our understanding of the English language and culture. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to explore more idioms and phrases. Happy learning!